Do you ever feel bored? Like you have nothing to do? Well, I'm going to help you. With 3 things you can do. Welcome back to Learning with Khadija
and Hasan.
ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss a video. So, the first thing that you can do is clean your room. I know, this might sound boring, but it's worth it. After you're done, you're very organized and you know where everything is. It also gives you a good mood for the rest of your day. The second thing you can do is go outside. But before you do this, make sure to wear a face mask so you can protect yourself from the coronavirus.
Hey, it's Corona time right now.
My personal favorite thing to do outside is scootering. And Shamsul Hassan's favorite thing to do is go in his little car. You can also walk. My third and most favorite thing to do is planting. We are going to plant our favorite plant, especially for my mother, because she loves it even more. We have this plant in every corner of the house. This plant is called the golden pothos. It has many amazing qualities. It is very easy to grow and can climb around any structure. It also needs a little light. It grows fine with reflected light. It also needs a little care. Just water it when the soil is dry. It also has beautiful heart-shaped leaves that are smooth and shiny. As an added bonus, it is one of the best air purifying plants you can grow in a home. Here is me bringing a plant that was already planted. I cut off a few leaves so we can replant it. I then put it in a jar. Added water into it and let it sit for a month. This is how it looks in a couple of weeks. This is 3 months later. Look how they grew. They're very long, and now it's ready to be planted. I chose this really pretty blue pot. I then added a little bit of dirt. I will put the plant now into the pot. Look how big the roots are. Be careful, they're very fragile. Then I added more dirt into it. don't forget the water. And soon this plant will grow as big as the other one. Thank you guys for watching. That's all we have for today. Bye!